I'm going to show you how to use this VPN application here, like a pro. So make sure to watch the full video. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
This is pretty much the old screen of the VPN application, and very simple layout. And this is pretty much the connection button. Over here we see the 3 lines. We'll just show you the speeds and so forth. And you can also use this feature here where you can see less ads. Nothing much for that. So how to connect this VPN? All you have to do is pretty much tap on the flag icon at the top. We'll pretty much see which server, and it will load up an ads. You'll be able to connect for 2 hours. And once you have watched out the full ads, you pretty much be able to see your server list, and this is pretty much all the servers that they have available. So do make sure to tap on the refresh icon here so you can refresh the server list. So the lowest percentage is pretty much this here, and it has a full status bar. So I do recommend using those servers so you can get the best speed. So for example, if we're going to scroll down, see if I see any other servers, Israel have the 8% and has a high status bar, so that pretty much is a fast server. So all you have to do is tap on the server that you want to connect to. Once you've selected that server, pretty much will show at the top here. And to go back into that option, we'll need to watch a 30-second ad. So make sure it's the right server that you want to use. So once you've done that, just tap on connect here. We'll ask for connection request and just tap on OK. We'll connect in no time. So that's pretty much it for this VPN. If I missed anything at all, please comment below. See you in the next one.